What's up everyone, welcome back to another Crown Cube video. In this video we are doing the sequel to the solving easy puzzles that aren't Rubik's Cubes. In this level we have some puzzles that are pretty scary, so let's get into it. I'm going to be solving the 15 tile puzzle, she's going to be solving the cahoodle puzzle. This one's scarier. Okay, mix it up for me, KL. Oh, and for the cahoodle, we'll have this paper right here that'll tell us mix up to do. So basically, this 15 puzzle has an algorithms. It only has 2 of them, but yeah, it makes it way easier to know the algorithms. Okay, ready?
It's ready for you, TL.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. So to get ready for the algorithms, you have to start by solving 3 and then do this like algorithm type thing, and then you solve 1, 2, 3, 4. Now get 5.
No idea.
KO's never used that puzzle before, so I'm giving her some time to train before she has to. That puzzle flipped. 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So okay. And now there's an algorithm at the end. It's kind of hard to remember. Over, up, over, down, over, up, over. There we go. We've solved the 15 puzzle. For our next puzzle, I don't know if we'll be able to solve this one. Hopefully we will. Oh, by the way, in this video, in this challenge, we can't miss more than 2 puzzles, or we can't miss more than 1 puzzle, so I have to choose the puzzle to miss out on, and it might be this cahoodle puzzle. So, yeah. And this series has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 puzzles in it. So, let's choose a random one. Let's choose a relatively easier one. We're choosing number 48. Okay? Let me set it up for you, KO. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I might help her with this one a little bit because it's really hard. Oh yeah, that piece probably goes down there. Oh, that can't go up there. I wonder if we can put like, no, we can't. I think this piece has to go up here. Like, nope, that does not fit. Like this. Nope, that does not work. How do I put it up there?
I don't know, TL.
Ooh, wait. No, it's not gonna work. I was gonna say we might be able to put this through. No, okay. So we have to keep these, this blue, yellow, and green piece in spot. Okay, let's start back. I wonder if we do like this down here.
Maybe? Yeah, I think that looks right.
And then we can do this more up here.
This.
Whoa.
Those are like the
As you can probably tell, I'm not very good at this.
None of us are, TL.
My dad's really good at these ones.
Yeah.
No. Okay. Okay, I think this puzzle might start with this down here.
Okay. No.
What if we put this on the bottom? No.
No.
This piece is gonna be the hardest to fit. Like
This piece is gonna be the hardest to fit. This piece is the most confusing piece.
okay, maybe we'll try number 49. Okay. Okay, I think this one's a little easier.
Yeah. This goes there. No.
How do we fit this?
This will go here, and then.
Okay, well, I think we've gone over our video limit, guys. We failed on this puzzle. Hopefully this is the only one we'll fail on.